Hello. Have you ever asked yourself, if I don't buy a home, how long I will rent? Renting has its reasons. Some can't qualify to buy a home, while others need flexibility for their jobs or lifestyle. But articles claiming you are losing money by renting often overlook your personal circumstances, so ignore them. Take my in-laws as an example. They live in the same Los Angeles home for over 30 years and pay about $216,000 during that time. Certainly, they pay for that apartment and some, but they enjoy a rental rate about 4 times below the market value. However, when the landlord passed away, his family decided not to keep the home, forcing my retired in-laws to adjust their budget significantly for the much higher market rate at the time. If you are considering home ownership but feel hesitant, think about what you pay in rent 15 years ago and what it will be at retirement time. Will your retirement income comfortably cover your rent? Remember, rents and inflation often rise faster than wages. If you like to explore your options, simply type appointment in comments and we will schedule a personalized roadmap to help you decide between home ownership and renting. This is the key takeaway. If you choose to keep renting, plan how you will manage the renting costs as you approach retirement age. But if you are ready for home ownership, waiting is not a good strategy. If this video offers a fresh perspective, please hit like, share it with others who might benefit, and subscribe. Thank you so much. See you next time.